life, an everyday experience in Wayne, Nebraska.
With alumni of Wayne State College making a return throughout homecoming week and weekend, the campus was put on full display this past Friday afternoon. Starting with a campaign lunch party highlighting the $30 million Invest, Empower, Transform scholarship campaign, attendees were able to hear how scholarships impact WSC students. Wayne State Foundation President Kevin Armstrong led the afternoon event in the Willow Bowl as several students, honorary chairs, and campaign committee members spoke to the crowd, including President Montes Ramus.
Wonderful day to celebrate our generous donors and friends who continue to do great things to help support our students and help Wayne State serve as that gateway of opportunities. So that started off the afternoon. It was phenomenal.
Since last month, WSC Foundation has raised $23.5 million and are now moving into the public phase for the final $6.5 million. They are in year 4 of 5 of their campaign that started in 2019 and will end in 2023 that will mostly provide incoming students an option to choose WSC and able to renew their scholarships for 4 years. The WSC marching band then led the group from the Willow Bowl to the Peterson Fine Arts building where a celebration renovation ceremony was held. Then after that, the afternoon concluded at the newly renovated Benthack Hall for a ribbon cutting and open house, which was completed earlier this fall.
Well, we discussed today that Peterson obviously is underway. We need to shore up those scholarships as part of the campaign. And then right now we're doing a master plan on campus, so we'll start looking at what next projects need to come forth based on what we need to do to provide students with that well-rounded education.
Dr. Ron Holt also introduced the Montes Ramus Endowment Scholarship, which came to a surprise to Dr. Ramus.
We spend all this time asking people to give and be a part of it, and certainly my husband and I have given annual gifts, but never anything in my name. So this was a real special day for me, and just really meant a lot to me. I really appreciate Ron Holt. And
contact Amber Sperry, Director of Alumni Relations, at 402-375-7370, or email amsperr1@wsc.edu for more information. Reporting in Wayne, I'm Aaron Scheffler, WayneDailyNews.com.